Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be walking through how to add Stepcard to Venmo in 2025. The first thing you need to do is open up your Venmo app and log into your account, and then go to the cards section, tap on the menu, select cards, and the next thing you're going to do is going to tap on add a card. Then choose Step from the partner card list that appear. If Step isn't listed, tap order card and manually enter the details. Once you're through with that, you have to input your 16-digit Step card number, the expiring date, and the CVV. Next is to confirm the billing address. It must match the Step account. Then your Venmo may send you a one-time code to your linked phone or email for verification. Then you tap confirm to continue or to finish it up. Now, once you've done this, you can also set the Stepcard as a default by going back to cards, tap make default for payment. It's as simple as that. Once you've done this, your Stepcard is now ready for Venmo payment. Now, there are some keynotes for accuracy I'm going to give to you as a bonus. Now, Venmo may directly support Tip in 2025, so there will not be any need for manual entry. Also, if Tip isn't available, confirm the card issuer supports user transaction, which is Venmo's requirement. If the card is declined, check that you have sufficient Tip balance and that Venmo supported card types. Check the Venmo supported card types, that is debit or prepaid. It's as simple as that. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.